In this short video, you will see the comparison of hardwiring an enclosure versus using plug-and-play connectors or a connectorized system. The scenario on the right is showing a connectorized system. The scenario on the left is showing a point-to-point hardwired system. Most industrial equipment contains extensive electrical wiring between its components and subsystems. When the equipment is manufactured, the machine builder typically assembles and tests most of the systems at the plant prior to shipment. Then it is disassembled, disconnected, and shipped to the end user where it is reassembled. As you can imagine, this can be a very time-consuming task. With what is called connectorization, equipment manufacturing, installation, and maintenance become more efficient, cost-effective, and reliable. A blended time was used for this video. At this point, the initial hardwired installation is completed as the connectorized solution is being installed. Now, the video is detailing the assembly and preparation for a connectorized solution that requires 1 hour and 35 minutes for the initial installation, compared to the hardwired system on the left that requires 1 hour. The additional time required to install connectors can be minimized by using automated strip and crimp machines, along with taking advantage of connector features that allow you to reduce the number of terminal blocks needed. In addition, using automated test equipment on the cable assemblies reduces test times and increases accuracy. A lower total cost of ownership of the connectorized system will be realized once you disassemble and complete your first field installation. The connectorized installation is now complete. Before a field installation can occur, the system must be disassembled and shipped. During disassembly of the hardwired scenario on the left, all discrete wires must be carefully removed from the terminal blocks, compared to simply unmating the connectors. For a simple enclosure such as this one, your hardwired system requires 9 minutes and 30 seconds to disassemble, compared to the 10 seconds needed to disconnect two connectors. Now you have the reassembly of the system, such as at the end user. This is obviously going to be a little more complicated, searching for the correctly marked wire for the corresponding terminal block location. With both terminal blocks terminated, one is just over 54 minutes and 22 seconds. Also consider the possibility of wiring errors during final assembly. Compare this to the 13 seconds using connectors. From this demonstration, one can see the time benefits of using a plug-and-play system. Connectors make rewiring, testing, and troubleshooting almost non-existent. This all adds up to cost savings for both the OEM and end user.